Hello, good evening viewers, and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Primetime English News with Linthoi Khoirong. First, the headlines. Chief Minister and Biren did not attend crucial meetings of MLAs in New Delhi leaves Imphal today to attend oath-taking ceremony of Haryana Chief Minister. Minister Wangbo Nyumai confirms participation of Kuki MLAs in Delhi meeting, says second meeting to bring peace in Manipur to be convened soon. An unidentified armed miscreants load case of over 6 lakh rupees at gunpoint from UCO Bank at Kaching Market in Kaching District. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform SKTV in Manipur that can be watched globally. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister Ann Biren, who did not attend the crucial meeting of MLAs in New Delhi, has left Imphal today to attend the oath-taking ceremony of Haryana Chief Minister, which is scheduled to be held tomorrow at Dasera ground in Panchkula, Haryana. Chief Minister has left for New Delhi on Indigo flight, which took off around 2 p.m. today. Chief Minister Ann Biren will be attending the oath-taking ceremony of Nayab Singh Saini as new Chief Minister of Haryana tomorrow, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other BJP national leaders will be present too. Chief Minister Ann Biren will also be attending a meeting of all Chief Ministers from BJP-ruled states. He is also likely to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other leaders in New Delhi. Water Resource Minister Wangbo Nyumai has announced that a second meeting will be scheduled soon following yesterday's discussion at Khan Market in New Delhi, attended by Kuki MLAs. He made this announcement upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport from Delhi today. Speaking to reporters, he explained that the meeting was organized by the Ministry of Home Affairs to address prolonged crisis in Manipur, which has been persisting for over 16 months. The meeting resolved to appeal to board-wearing communities to reduce tensions as a first step. However, the ministry has instructed the MLAs not to disclose details about the meeting to the public. Additionally, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan arrived in Imphal today.
I'm grateful to the Home Ministry for taking this initiative. We need a frequent meeting because everyone is longing for peace. We have to hammer out what is the best for everyone. Yesterday was just an initial meeting. I see a lot of positive steps that the Home Ministry is taking now. In order to bring peace, one have to sit together and discuss. We have to sort out the differences and collectively try to bring what is best for the people in order to bring peace. The main thing which we would like to happen as of now is both sides try to come together and have a dialogue with one another. And this Home Ministry is taking this initiative.
Unidentified armed miscreants looted cash of over 6 lakh rupees at gunpoint from UCO Bank situated at Kaching Market, Khongnang Mari Phangba in Kaching District in the broad daylight today around 3 p.m. According to police, following the incident, DIG Range 2 Jogesh Chandra Haubijam, SP Kaching T.H. Bikramjit, including high-ranking officers, rushed to the spot and initiated operation to arrest the involved persons. Meanwhile, it is suspected that the bank may have been looted by armed miscreants who came on 2 vehicles. Dead body of 12-year-old boy who went missing after he disappeared into the river while swimming at Basikong Kong Irong on October 14 was found today morning at Lilong Thongkha. The boy was carried away by the river current when he went swimming with some of his friends at confluence point of Imphal River and Kong River. The lifeless body of Longzam Kanta, as 12 son of Longzam Kumar, originally from Kumbi Terakong but presently residing at Kakwa Lamdaibung, was found floating today at the confluence point of Iril River and Imphal River at Lilong Thongkha this morning. Members of Basikong Kong Irong Development Committee and Basikong Panthoibi Youth Club, along with SDRF and Manipur Fire Service team, have been carrying out search operations since October 14. The deceased boy was a student of Class 7 at PK Upper Primary School, Melalampak. In a tragic incident, an 8-month-old baby lost his life after he swallowed a gourami fish, which is locally known as ngapima. The incident took place yesterday at Kangabok in Thawal district. The minor victim has been identified as Kundongbam Thongamba, son of Kundongbam Menten and Kundongbam Ongbi Puja from Kangabok, Maisnam Lekai. The baby went out of his home with his grandmother and the baby accidentally swallowed the fish while the grandmother was having chat with others. The boy was reportedly rushed to district hospital and then was referred to Rims Hospital where the fish was removed, but the baby unfortunately could not be saved. Hill Areas Committee HAC of the Manipur Legislative Assembly during its October 14 meeting has unanimously recommended that the Manipur government to conduct the long-pending elections to the Autonomous District Councils ADCs as soon as possible. The press statement stated that in light of the cancellation of the system of caretaker chairmanship and in compliance with the Guwahati High Court's order, the state government should form committees to temporarily manage the ADC's administration. The release added that each committee will have 20 members, 18 selected from former ADC members, local self-government figures, eminent persons or intellectuals, and 2 government-nominated district representatives. The HAC chairman has urged government to take necessary steps to implement this arrangement swiftly. Tadau Community International TCI today welcomed the peace meeting of Manipur MLAs in New Delhi, which was initiated by Ministry of Home Affairs. In a press note, Tadau Community International lauded Union Home Ministry for making such peace efforts and maintained that the step was crucial and it should be welcomed by all right-thinking and peace-loving citizens. TCI also praised all MLAs and ministers who attended the meeting and also maintained that the Delhi meeting was a crucial step towards healing wounds and bringing lasting peace and development in the state. And TCI would encourage more of such meetings in the future, not only between elected representatives, but also among civil society organizations, community leaders, intellectuals, and general public. TCI further maintained that collective action, inclusive dialogue are essential to resolve the conflict. Combined security forces of Manipur Police and Central Force seized substantial cache of arms and ammunition yesterday. According to police, the joint team conducted a search operation at Lairong Tel Pitra, Uyok Hill and Thawal district. During the operation, the team seized one 7.62 AK rifle along with magazine, one 9mm pistol, one 9mm SMG rifle, one 12mm bore single-barrel gun, 636 live hand grenade, 58 live round ammunition, 2 detonators, 2 tube launchers, 1 wireless handset Baofeng along with charger, 1 BP jacket, 2 BP iron plates, and 5 arming rings. The seized articles have been handed over to the police station for further legal actions. Kamong Apunba Mara Paibiluf today organized a sit-in at Kamong Manglak Community Hall demanding release of 4 members of Youth of Manipur YOM without any conditions. Speaking to media persons in this regard, advisor of Kamong Apunba Mara Paibiluf, Maisnam Sakhi, said that 4 members of YOM, including Robinson from Kamong Maisnam Laikai, were arrested on October 5 on the charge of supporting the agitation of transgender activist Malem Thongam. Sifera warned to start agitations if the arrested members of YOM are not released without any conditions.
Maraibak Mazatibu Kanjaningba Laipak Asidaida Tolakhiba Lising Aniga Kunga Hundoigi Megi Tarik Ahumdagi Tolakhiba Crisis Tolakhiba Tong Adudaidagi Madubu Santi Oina Orau Haidana Malem Thongamna Chanchin Kiba Kongjang Adubu Saugatcharuba Matamdudaida Adugumlaba Thomi Maria do Hajin Kibani Dugumlaba Thomi Maria do Condition Amata Yaudana Hadok Pira U Haidana Aikoi Kamong Maislam Laikai Mapangi Yam Singna Nasi Sigumlaba Dharna Se Hamjaribani.
Friends in Need Society Hairok has refuted the allegation made by proscribed KCP Nongdran Komba against a divorced woman in Hairok. While terming the allegation against the woman as baseless, Friends in Need Society Hairok maintained that the allegation charged on the woman actually disrespect the integrity and honor of the woman. KCP Nongdran Komba had reportedly labeled the woman as sex worker, denying the claim. Friends in Need Society maintained that the woman in question is not involved in any illicit profession, adding that it would be wrong for the group to extend its judgment only on the weak, poor, and powerless people. It stated that such actions dishonor the woman and cause a dent on the reputation of the woman. Friends in Need Society Hairok urged KCP Nongdran Komba to stop such action in the future. Manipur International Youth Center MIYC has expressed dissatisfaction over center's long-term efforts to fragment Manipur along ethnic lines, jeopardizing the state's territorial integrity. In a press release, MIYC has criticized the political maneuvering aiming to disintegrate the state using Article 3 of the Indian Constitution, which allows changes to state boundaries. The MIYC has emphasized that such action would violate the historic rights of the people of Manipur and contradict the principle of uti possidetis under international law, which protects existing borders after decolonization. The MIYC has pointed out that Manipur's annexation in 1949 was controversial and coercive.
I found this on the web for Rise of the People of Manipur.
The MIYC has pointed out that Manipur's annexation in 1949 was controversial and coercive, making it distinct from other states. As such, the normal application of Article 3 cannot be imposed without considering the specific historical context of Manipur. Moreover, India, being a signatory to United Nations Charter, adheres to Article 2, Clause 4, which prohibits use of force to alter state boundaries, adding that any attempt to change Manipur's borders would violate both international and the UN Charter. The MIYC also condemned the idea of redrawing boundaries based on ethnic divisions to accommodate non-state actors and illegal immigrants, asserting that such moves are unlawful and detrimental to the state's integrity. Tamenglong SP Lanmiyo Luikham has urged people in Tamenglong to take pride in protecting Amur Falcon, just as Ukhrul cherishes Siri Lili. SP Lanmiyo Luikham was speaking in consultative workshop on protection of migratory bird Amur Falcon, locally known as Puina, which was jointly organized by District Administration Tamenglong, Tamenglong Forest Division and Rainforest Club of UBC Hall, Tamenglong. Speaking for Tamenglong, SP Lanmiyo Luikham has urged people to embrace their role as guardians of the migratory bird. Also speaking in the program, Divisional Forest Officer KH Hitler said that the ongoing protection efforts of Amur Falcon started in 2015, but challenges still exist. He revealed plans for upcoming Amur Festival next month. He also announced that 2 Amur Falcons would be geotagged this year to track their migration patterns. While cautioning people against consumption of the birds, citing concern for disease, Hitler said that organizing such consultative workshop would help people become more aware about the conservation efforts. Meanwhile, Advocate Daniel Kamshuan has highlighted the legal obligations related to wildlife protection, referencing Article 51A, Clause G of the Indian Constitution. He cautioned that failure to protect wildlife could result in fines up to 1 lakh rupees and imprisonment for up to 5 years. Environmental activist Salam Rajesh, Advocate Daniel Kamshuan, Director of Rainforest Club Mordisai Panmai, along with participants from 8 villages attended the program. Founder of Gulapi Nat Sankirtan Academy, Laimapokpam Lakpati, has expressed concern over dying culture and tradition of the state due to misinterpretation by the present generation. Laimapokpam Lakpati said this while attending the 31st Guru Kirtana Seva, which was organized by Gulapi Nat Sankirtan Academy at Kwakaithal Nganapithong today. Speaking for Laimapokpam Lakpati stressed on the relevance of Sankirtan and its cultural significance on day-to-day life and rituals. She urged young generations to preserve this art form and overall cultural and traditions of Manipur. Former director of JNMDA Dilip Mayengbam, theater and cultural activist Loitongbam Brajamohon, Sahiti Academy awardee Sarachandra Tiyam, along with others, eminent person graced the program. Assistant Professor of Department of Art and Culture, Art and Music, Manipur University, Dr. Maikam Thoiba was presented with Oza Khwairakpam Wangkai Award, while translator and eminent critic Laisram Memo was conferred the Guru Khwairakpam Laibak Macha Award during the program.
Ya Guru Mayam, Laikidaba Punamaki, Ponda, Aina, Kaina, Ojajina Sahi, Manga, Aruki Munda, Amumukadame, Radi, Hosip Aina, Sheba Ojerisina, Mini, Sheba Ojeris, Machina, Aigi, Guru Deva, Irangagi, Guru Gulapi, Laikidaba, Asina Oriba, Soya Taurega, Payano Ada, Purnaman Masida. Guru Mayam, Zegi, guru mayamna macha pomba lay macha pomda lay culture sida saba thakpa yaudana thawai haksang pathoga sembigiba ojajing phamda aina ngamjaba lay manam tang disipatram tang pangningi wahaigi tojaraga aina pangthokchabani.
World Food Day was observed at YK College in Wangjing on the Taubal district today. The observance was jointly organized by YK College Wangjing in Association of Food Scientists and Technologists India AFSTI Manipur chapter. Proprietor of Tangjam Agro Industry T.H. Joy Kumar, Principal of YK College Wangjing Professor Soibam Giri Singh, Board of Director of Sairam Imphal and former Head of Department of Animal Science CAO Professor M. Dhanaswar, Subject Matter Specialist of KVK Visnupur Bandana Ningombam, Proprietor of Hanglem Industry Hanglem Nabadwip, Associate Professor of Department of English P. Somarendra along with other eminent persons attended the program. During the program, life member of AFSTI Dr. Suraj Laishram spoke on identification of available plastic as packaging medium, while Head of Department of Environmental Sciences, YK College Assistant Professor Dr. N. Sovarani spoke about healthy lifestyle and happy life stalls belonging to various food industries were also displayed during the program. Now in national news, leader of National Conference NC Omar Abdullah took oath as the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday, accompanied by 5 ministers, including his Deputy Chief Minister Surendra Kumar Chowdhury. Despite pre-poll alliance with the Congress, the party has stayed out of the government for now, reportedly due to disagreement over cabinet positions. The NC won 42 out of 90 assembly seats, while Congress secured 6, giving the alliance a majority of 48 seats. Abdullah mentioned that 3 cabinet positions remain unfilled and will be addressed soon. The 6 ministers sworn in include a balance between representatives from Kashmir and Jammu. This election marks the first assembly election in J&K since its status change in 2019, when Article 370 was abrogated and the state was made a union territory. The NC Congress alliance performed particularly well, sweeping all 8 seats in Srinagar, while BJP secured 29 seats, mainly in Jammu region. The swearing-in ceremony at Seri Kashmir International Conference Center SKICC in Srinagar was attended by leaders of India bloc including Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, K. Kanimoji and Supriya Sule. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar took a strong stance against Pakistan at the SCO summit, highlighting that cross-border activities marred by terrorism, extremism and separatism are detrimental to bilateral relations and broader cooperation. He emphasized that peace and stability are essential for development and growth, and the SCO's commitment to combat these 3 evils, terrorism, extremism and separatism, is crucial in today's context. Jaishankar stressed that cooperation within the SCO must be founded on mutual respect, territorial integrity and sovereignty, rejecting selective approaches to global norms. He also showcased India's contribution to global sustainability initiatives like International Solar Alliance, the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure and the Global Biofuel Alliance, while stressing the importance of promoting the trust and multifaceted regional cooperation amidst global conflicts and challenges. Though Jaishankar congratulated Pakistan on its presidency of the SCO, no bilateral talks between India and Pakistan were scheduled during the summit. Now in sports news, Deputy President of All Manipur Sepak Takraw Association, Waikhom Jiten, has been appointed as President of the association until a new president gets elected. The decision was made following a general body meeting of the association held on August 25 at IMSUC Hengang, Maikhalikai. Season 2 of Paumai Premier League PPL has started from today at Astro Turf Ground in Senapati District. 16 teams are participated in the league, which will be held till October 26. The event is partnered with the Bath Clinic Senapati. It may be mentioned that the league has been organized in New Delhi from Season 1 to Season 8. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister and Biren, who did not attend crucial meeting of MLAs in New Delhi, leaves Imphal today to attend oath-taking ceremony of Haryana Chief Minister. Minister Wang Boniumai confirms participation of Kuki MLAs in Delhi meeting, says second meeting to bring peace in Manipur to be convened soon. An unidentified miscreants loot cash of over 6 lakh rupees at gunpoint from UCO Bank at Kaching Market in Kaching District. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News, the first ever OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website skyc.in to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app. SKTV iOS app is also now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. The download link will also be pinned in all our comment section. Join us for real-time news updates, exclusive interviews, and comprehensive analysis of current affairs in Manipur. Thank you for watching SKTV News.